In this video, I'm going to show you how to train a model in SeaArt. Now, the first thing you have to do here on the website, of course, you want to sign into your account. And after you do that, go up here where it says create and hover over that, and then hover over model down here and click on train. What this does, it takes you to the training part of SeaArt over here, and then it says quick training, and you want to click on train now. When you do that over here, it's going to open up your task here, and you can do the task name. You can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to do tutorial for this one. There we go. And then here you can, of course, select your training type. For me, it's going to be character. That's fine with me. And then here you can also select your training theme, your train model, and then the training strength. Okay. So here it's going to say, of course, low, medium, and high. And over here, this one is suitable for this amount, this one for this amount, and this one for this amount of images. So, of course, you can do whichever one you want to do depending on how many images you have. Here you can either then select your personal work, so you can do like personal work in case you have anything on here on SeaArt already, or you could just go to upload images and you can upload up to 500 images, and the sizes must be between these dimensions over here, and here it says it does support WebP, JPEG, and PNG formats. Okay, so just make sure you upload these images, and whenever you do that over here, you could also click on up top and then of course select here. You could also go ahead and pretty much save any of the images you put in case you want to continue later on. And then whenever you're ready, whenever you've done that, you can just click on train now, and then your model will be trained. Okay, so it's that easy to do it. Just follow the instructions over here and you'll be able to train it yourself. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.